Alright, so today let's make this crazy LED chaser circuit. So here I am using the ESP32 and I will take a bunch of LEDs and I will place the ESP32 on the breadboard, and I have placed all the LEDs in a sequence as you can see. And right now I am going to be connecting all the digital pins to the LED accordingly to the circuit diagram. Alright, so now I have connected all the digital pins to the LEDs according to the diagram.
Alright, so now coming to the code, here I have declared 10 LEDs as an integer and given them the digital pin values, and in void setup the code which has to be run once is written. So right now I have declared all the LEDs digital pins as the output, and coming to the void loop, here the thing is, if you see the concept of this, then the chaser works like this. The first LED will be on first, and then the second LED will be on first, then the third LED, and it keeps on moving like that. So right now, so coming to the code part, so here I have written digital write LED1 high, which means the first LED will be high, and all the other LEDs will be low, which means off, and it will show a delay of 50 milliseconds, and then again the second LED will be on. So right here I have written digital pin LED2 as high, and like that only it moves on till digital light LED10 high, so that all the LEDs in sequence can on one by one. And after that again this code is written in the while loop, right? So the code will run again and again, so it will be like a chaser moving again and again, and it looks good when saying. So this was about the code. Alright, so now after this I will select my board which is on conf5, which is the ESP32 DivKit V1. Next I will click on the upload button. Alright, and after compiling,
The code gets uploaded, and make sure to press the boot button in the ESP32 when it is connecting, and you can also find the circuit diagram and code link in the description. Now let's move on to how it looks, and just look how cool is this. It's cool, right? And just check it out when it's dark. And make sure to like the video if you like the circuit, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.